Hello and welcome. Today I'm actually going to be drawing pretty simple illusion 3D stairs called the Schroeder stairs. Pretty simple, easy to do. You really just need, actually just even a pencil will do. I actually use a ruler just to make sure I get all the dimensions right. But you know, like I said, pretty fun, easy to do. You can even do with kids and you can do it freehand. So don't worry too much about having a ruler or not having one. All right, so basically we're going to start off with a couple of lines here. A 3-inch line here, and we're going to do another 3-inch line. And this is going to actually be like the frame of our staircase. And then what we're going to do is we're simply going to go, and the reason I use the ruler is because I can get the dimensions just right pretty quickly. So I'm going to do 3/4 of an inch, quickly do some stairs here. Going up. Up. And like I said, like I use a ruler just to make things a little easy on myself. I mean, some people are very good, you know, and like I said, if you don't get it perfect, it still works. It's a pretty easy illusion to do. So, you know, feel free to try it freehand. Don't feel like you need to have a ruler to do this illusion or anything complicated or complex. All right, here we go. Get this stair going. All right, almost there. All right, so hopefully you can see how this is coming together. We kind of have the outside edge of what's going to be our staircase. So here we need to start and kind of focus on how we're going to give it depth. And we do that through these diagonal lines. So we want to get these, I want to say, here's actually a pretty good example. So using the ruler, I had this kind of at like, you know, 45-degree angle. That's pretty good. The main trick to this is getting all these lines actually to be actually parallel, right? So the main thing is you want all the lines that are at a 45-degree angle to be parallel to give that kind of effect of depth, right? And it looks uniform. I'm going to add on another stair here at the back, another 3/4. And then I'm going to connect it here, kind of line up there with that line, down here, on a parallel, same thing here, on a parallel. Now here comes the fun part. So what we're going to basically do is we're going to recreate the same set of stairs that we had here, but here in the background. So you see here I have my ruler. I'm going to do here about a 3/4 of an inch. Connect it there. And then I'm going to start making these stairs going up and down on this side. All right. So my 3/4 of an inch here. All right. Perfect. 3/4 of an inch. 3/4. 3/4 again. And like I said, like, you know, really once you get the pieces together with the framing, you get the diagonals in, it kind of comes together. You know, I'm using this ruler as a guide. If you had like a piece of paper or something or anything, I mean, like visually you can kind of see too if you did want to do it freehand. So not a big deal. And like I said, you know, it's a pretty simple illusion, so it's pretty forgiving if you don't get the exact dimensions exactly as I have it here on the page. All right, 3/4 of an inch and 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so now we have that framing done. We're going to quickly do our diagonals here. And you can see how we kind of have like this guideline in terms of like where we're trying to connect them to. All right, perfect. Perfect. All right, and hopefully you can see it now coming together as you know, as a staircase. And then so now what we're going to do is we're going to do this piece here, which is identical on this side. Just going to connect basically the lines, and we had 3 inches there, and this here. All right, and trim away a little excess here. Perfect. And there you have it. 3D stairs called the Schroeder stairs. And actually what's really interesting about this is not only can you see the 3D effect, but you know, for a little bit of a twist, if you turn it this way, you can see that the stairs actually reverse direction. So, you know, very fun, very simple, very quick optical illusion. And it's something, you know, you can do with kids. You can do it freehand, or, you know, like I did, I used a ruler. So hopefully you enjoyed this. If you did, please make sure to subscribe. All right. Thank you.